Hey everyone! In this video, let's understand what is field map and how to create a stunning field map using a Tableau. Field map is used to visualize a geographical data such as like a country, states, region, which are filled with the colors based on specific measure. So that means when you want to analyze one numerical variable and one geographical data, in that case, we're gonna use field map. The very small difference between a normal map and a field map, here you can see the geographical areas will be filled with the colors, so it looks stunning compared to the normal map. Let's see how to create this creative or the beautiful fill map using Tableau. Are you excited? Let's begin. Pretty simple. Just select our state and let's select our sales. Well, we got a normal graph. Go to the show me and select the second graph, that is maps. So now what you have to do, we can see the fill map, but I don't see the color fill. So for that, I'll just drag state on top of a color. Well, we got the original one. Do it twice. Select the graph again. Now again drag the state on top of a color. Well, we got a filled map. I want to see the labels. Drag state on top of a label and also drag sales on top of a label. Well, if you want to change the background color, you can go to a map and you can change the background map. That is, you can select the dark theme or any other theme that you want. So this is how we're gonna create a field map in order to visualize a geographical data with one or more measure. Here it clearly shows that California is giving higher sales compared to all other states. Hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.